This video walks you through how to build a shopping wishlist system in Notion. Start in Notion and create a new page for the wishlist. This page will hold the full setup, so give it a clear title that matches the purpose. Once the page is open, leave enough room in the body to add a database as the main part of the layout. Next, insert a table database. This table will be the place where each wishlist item is stored as its own entry. If Notion offers different table options, choose a full page or inline table based on how you want the page to look. What matters here is that you have a table ready to hold item details in separate columns. With the database in place, add the properties you want to track. Set up fields for item name, category, price, priority, store, status, and link. Item name should remain the main title field for each row. The rest can be added as additional properties, so each item has its own category, price, level of importance, place to buy it, current purchase status, and product link. This gives the table enough structure to work as a wish list instead of just a loose note. Now begin adding wish list items. Create a new entry for each product or item you want to save. Fill in the properties as you go, so every row includes the relevant details. For example, one item might include a category, a store name, a priority level, and a price, while another might also include a link to the product page. The goal is to make each entry complete enough that you can review it later without needing to look elsewhere first. After you have a few items in place, create different views for the same database. Add a table view if you want a full spreadsheet style layout, then create a board or gallery view to see the same items in different formats. These views do not duplicate your entries, they only change how the database is displayed, which helps when you want to scan the list in a different way. Once the views are added, organize the wish list using filters, sorting, or grouping. You can sort by priority if you want more urgent items to appear first. You can group by category to keep similar products together. You can also filter by purchase status to show only items that still need attention. This part shapes the database into something you can check quickly without scanning every row. As your plans change, update the status property for each item. Mark entries as purchased, saved for later, or not purchased so the list stays current. Keeping the status updated helps the wish list reflect what still matters and what has already been handled. Your Notion shopping wish list is now set up to track and organize the items you plan to buy.